Hey guys, I'm Abhimanyu. Yen Guru.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya. One star.
Welcome to Yen Guru Perspectives are quality content.
Yeah, Bob. Perspectives with honest, candid conversations and simple, relatable hacks.
Ashte. Hey guys, I'm Abhimanyu.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya.
Welcome to Yen Guru Perspectives are. So I hope everyone's doing okay and staying safe. Like tough times, but yeah, you got to keep your head up, do what you got to do, stay safe, stay indoors.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
So,
so
welcome
that's
to our first podcast. Oh my God, that's exciting. We're going to be talking to you about a little bit about the background of how this podcast came into the picture. There's a whole backstory to it. We're going to talk a little bit about ourselves, not given completely, because you got to keep the suspense, right, Bob?
absolutely.
Yeah. So,
So,
why don't you tell them about how this idea came into picture?
right. So all of it started when Aishwarya had reached out to me for her case study. So she had
Yeah.
a case study to do, and she like sent me a couple of questions, and she was like, "Bob, you know what? Can you make a video for me answering these questions and all of that?" And I was like, "Okay, cool, that sounds great." But I was like, instead of making a whole video,
Hmm.
let's just do it over a Zoom call or something, And she was like, "Yeah, like great, let's do that." And we had that whole session, and it was actually amazing. It was really free, the whole communication process and all of that. It was really nice.
Yeah.
And that's when I was like, you know what, let's do this. And I've been wanting to do this for a long time now.
Hmm.
I spoke to a couple of friends and I was like, you know what, boys, let's do this. And they were like, yeah, bro, it sounds good, macha, madana, and all of that. But it never happened.
Right.
Like, we took it seriously. You know what? They were like, ah, macha, ivat madana, nale madana, but it never happened. Now I asked you about it, and you were like, Bob, let's do this. And I think, yeah, that's how the whole thing came into being, and it's great.
A week ago, we got into this. We spoke to a couple of people, and they were so friendly. They were so nice to us, and they decided to help us as well. And then a week later, here we are recording our first podcast. That's pretty exciting.
True.
The people here, I think, would want to know what exactly our podcast is about. I think when you and I were talking about it as well, we thought we'll
Mm.
not make it, just one topic and stick to that. But we thought,
Right.
just give in perspectives about everything. That's how the name came about, right?
Correct. So just like how our name suggests, Yen Guru
Mm-hmm.
perspectives are. So we don't want to stick to a particular topic and be like, okay, guys, you know what, this is what we're going to talk about and this is what we're going to do. So the whole
Right.
idea of our podcast is we talk about anything under the sun, absolutely anything, and give our perspective about it. This is not like a forced uh, like idea about how this is a certain way. Maybe this is something that worked out for me, and I'm sharing my story on how it worked out.
Yeah, and not just our stories as well. We're going to bring in people who had first-hand experience in this particular area. Like, say, for example, a person who's gone abroad and, like, is struggling during the pandemic. We're going to talk to them, understand their perspective to give you like a closer experience to how it actually is.
Yeah, totally. It's going to be a lot of perspectives. So that's the whole idea of the podcast.
Exactly.
And yeah, how people are dealing with things, and how maybe there's something you're like you don't know about, you're really not aware of, and you want some kind of input. I think this is the right place because there's going to be a like
Absolutely.
mixed culture of so many different people coming in and
Mm-hmm.
sharing their perspective about how they dealt with a certain thing or how they're doing a certain thing, which is
Right.
great, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, and if we can help out another person who's going through the same thing and just reach out to them, then I think our job here is done. That I think is our entire motto behind this, just to help
For
out
sure. Yeah.
people. Yeah,
Absolutely. Yes. That's basically about it.
right.
Just how we can maybe extend a helping hand.
Yeah. And keep it a little local, like talk about
Uh,
Bangalore and our like mutual love for Bangalore. We're like,
True.
Bangalore is like everything, Bob, like yes, Maga,
True.
and all the lingo that goes into it.
I am more like less maga than her, but yeah.
I'm more of
Yeah.
a lately I've been into shisha and like I've been addressing people as that.
Yeah. For
Yeah.
me, my conversation with my friends is absolutely like yen maga, yen ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, yen bob, yen samachara, things like that.
Yeah. So, which brings me to another question.
Right.
There's a whole mystery behind you. So, why don't you introduce yourself properly? Talk to them about who you really are. Like,
Awesome, awesome. I wish I was James Bond, but no, 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 no. But really love his style. But yeah, so I'm Abhimanyu. I'm from Bangalore, born in Goa, brought up in Bangalore,
Mhm.
and my parents are from Bangalore, and it's absolutely, absolutely love the place. Bangalore is home, and I finished my engineering. I'm
Mhm.
I finished my engineering, and now I'm working. I'm working for a retail company,
Mhm.
and it's great. It's fun. Everything's going great,
Mhm.
and yeah, that's basically about me. And I absolutely love football, and
Ooh.
absolutely love football, and I played quite a bit of football during college. I signed after college also. I signed for like a club, and I play now and then. That's something I really enjoy, playing
Right.
football, and basically any outdoor activities. I love engaging in outdoor activities, like
Mhm.
like out, going out for a trek, and things like that. Especially during this pandemic, it's been really hard for me personally sitting at home. Yeah, it's hard. Like it
Mhm.
was breaking like a whole, it was breaking the habit. These are things that you inculcate over years, right? That you go
Absolutely.
out, you meet people, and now you're just confined. So yeah, that's basically about me. Why don't you tell all of us about you, a little bit about you, like all the mystery and all the like clearly air.
Well, I like to keep a little bit of mystery about myself. I think
Yeah,
that's
who doesn't? Who doesn't?
as
Totally.
well. I'm
Right.
Aishwarya, and well, what can I say about myself? I'd like to be defined by my friends and others, but if I have to talk about myself, I like to look at things from different perspectives. I always think about looking at things from an out-of-box perspective, which is why I decided to do my bachelor's in theater, literature, and psychology, the most weirdest combination of the lot. And
Right.
well, I wasn't good at all of any of them, I would say, but then
You bring us like a mix bag of culture, right, to this whole episode, the whole world of perspectives, because you've been
absolutely.
around so much.
Yeah, and oh, guys, I'm a Christ type. No hate, no shade. But Christ is amazing. I love Christ University. So yeah,
Absolutely,
that's what I
absolutely.
did. And now I work with kids. I'm a teacher at one of those nice posh schools. And that's
I
I
really
love
love how you like kept it low key. You're like, I'm at a nice posh school, Kota. I don't want
yeah,
to make you all jealous, but ashte solpa.
yeah. It's actually a very nice reputed school, I would say that. But I
Right.
love working with kids. I love them. I think they're so pure. They bring this unconditional joy inside me. And that's about it.
Absolutely.
I mean, I've been taking online classes. I'm one of those teachers that's like badass. I wear like shorts and like a t-shirt and I take my they
One
never
of the
get
cool teachers, eh?
oh damn. Honest
Yeah.
perspectives. See?
Perspectives, yeah.
Hey, so I heard back in school that they used to call you Manu, right? And there's a
Right,
team
yeah.
called Manchester United, also known as Manu. So the question that I'm about to ask you is Manchester United your favorite team?
Oh, hell no. No, 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 no. It's not. I'm not a Man United fan. Absolutely not. I'm a Chelsea fan. And to everyone out there who's had their doubts about which is the best team in like London, it's Chelsea. Like
Well,
that, it's Chelsea, period. And about the best team in England, we're right there. We're among the top teams in England. And Chelsea is like one life, one love, one club, and that's Chelsea.
well, Manchester United hasn't done well this season, but I'm a Manchester United fan, and I think UK should bleed red as it
Yeah, you're
should
right.
be.
They should bleed blue for Chelsea. Keep the blue flag flying high. So basically, the name Manu came around when I was in school.
Hmm.
So like my friends would like randomly just be like Manu, and that just stuck on. I think
Uh-huh.
the first memory I remember of anybody calling me Manju, I think my cousin, he started calling me Manju,
Okay.
and then that that went from there to school. And
And
in
then it
school,
went
like,
here.
yeah, not exactly. I think from school to that name never went from school to college. In
Thankfully.
college, I do, but I love getting Manu written on my jersey to this day.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, I wear jersey number 16. So, just to make it sound cool, I tell people, I just like make a hashtag and be like M16, just like the gun. Like, no, no, I just like getting Manu written, and my favorite number is 16. So that's the story about it. But in college, nobody really called me Manu except like for a few people.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone stuck with Abhi, and so that.
Okay.
Why don't you tell
You
us about your sports career?
Oh, well, right. Yeah, I think I forgot to mention that. Thank you. Well,
Yeah.
while I am a teacher right now, that's not what I want to be when I grow up. I mean, I have grown up, but in the
Have
future,
you?
I don't think we ever grow up completely. I think we're constantly a
True,
work in progress. So I like to
true.
believe that, which is why one of my majors back in college was psychology. So I decided to do my master's in psychology. I want to be a clinical child psychologist. Well, that's my
Awesome.
aim, which is why I'm working
Awesome.
with kids and stuff like that. So, what about you? What
Awesome.
do you want to become?
What do I want to become?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this like I don't know. Like I think I'm still figuring this out.
Aren't
You
we
know,
all?
you take whatever's coming your way,
Mm-hmm.
and so for me, it was after engineering, I was still spiraling around. What do I do?
Mm-hmm.
So I really wanted time to figure my life out.
Right.
So I was looking and all of that. And me as a person, I get very restless when I don't have anything to do. Like things fell into place, and then I got this job. It's great. I'm having a lot of fun. There's a lot of learning, and and now I'm slowly figuring out like what my interests are, like what I'm really interested in, how my thought process is, and all of that, which is great. It's like a total eye opener. But if you
Right.
ask me what I want to do, like I don't have an answer like how Aishwarya gave you. She's like sorted all.
I get what
Yeah.
you're
So
saying.
yeah,
I mean, just
that
putting a disclaimer out here, we're just a bunch of early 20-year-old kids. I don't know. Another thing that we are really looking forward to is the bunch of guests that are going to come into our podcast. They're going to be
right.
giving you like a first-hand experience, as we already mentioned. And
Hmm.
we're very excited. I think next week we're going to have somebody coming in, but then I think we'll keep the topic as a surprise, right?
Yes, absolutely. So
Thank you so much for listening to our first podcast. The amount of support and love that you're giving us is absolutely priceless. Please do give us your feedback and let us know what you would like to listen to our perspectives about, and we'll put one sitting definitely.
for sure, for sure. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you for listening. And we like like I'm saying, we started a journey, right? And we would like to have you on all our podcasts, be our like listeners, and
Hmm.
actually give us feedback. And we promise to take it in the constructive way and come out with better content, which will cater to a topic which you tell us. And that's the only thing that's going to help us grow and get our listeners what they want, right? So
Yeah,
please
we
keep the
want to make
feedback.
it relatable. We want to help out, help you guys out. And whatever little knowledge that we hold, we want to put that out there for others to listen to, which is why, we came up with this whole idea. So thank you so much once again.
Yes, thank you so much. And if after, make sure your friends also listen to it and be like, you know what, they're like a cool bunch of Bangaloreans doing this, something out of the box. And make sure that they listen to it, be like, I'm going to buy you dosa or something. Make sure they listen to it and they give us their feedback too. And all of this, like I said, is going to help us grow. And we promise to give you some good content out of all of this. Yep.
Yes, for sure.
So for sure, for sure.
I think that's like
Yes.
your trademark. Like absolutely and for sure is like your trademark. And guys, any meme dealers out there, please make a meme out of this. I think Abhimanyu deserves a meme out of absolutely and for sure.
Yes, for sure, for sure. Or like absolutely. So guys, thank you for listening again, and we'll see you super soon.
Take care, stay safe, and we love you guys. Yeah, we love you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, we love you guys. I don't know about her, but I love you guys, huh?
Okay, I do. I do too.
Yeah, she loves you too. Stay safe, stay indoors, and yeah, sigana mat hai.
Stay.